A Snake Charmer Story, Class 5 EVS, Chapter 2. Hello children, we'll learn the facts of this chapter in two parts, Part 1 and Part 2. Today, we'll begin with Part 1. So let's get started. I have a surprise for you. First you tell me, have you ever seen a snake? Do you know there are different kinds of snakes living on earth, living in water, poisonous and non-poisonous. Now, any guess about the surprise? Okay, I'll tell you. Today, I'm going to tell you about the life of snake charmers. Snake charmers have always been called saperas. This is India's desert state of Rajasthan, home to Kalbelia snake charmers. Kalbelia is a nomadic community that lives in camps called deras. Kalbelias are a community of snake charmers. Kalbelias carry the cobra in a cane basket from door to door and beg for alms. Kalbelias play a specific role in the society. Women sing and dance and in turn receive food. They entertain the people by their music and dance. Snake charmers can do something special, which I am sure none of you can do. Do you know what? They can play the bean. You must be surprised. Yes, they can make snakes dance by playing the bean. Pungi or bean is wind instrument typical of Kalbelia music made of dry gourd. In chapter 1, you read that snakes do not have ears, which you can see. But can the snakes hear the bean, or does it dance when the bean moves? No, snakes cannot hear the bean. They dance in defense when the bean moves. They can easily catch many poisonous snakes. Snakes are an important part of their life. They move from village to village, carrying their snakes in bamboo baskets. Whenever they stop in a village, a crowd gathers around. Then they take out their snakes from their baskets. Even after the show, people stay on. People know that in tin box there are many types of medicines for them. They make these medicines from plants collected from the forest. In return, people give some money or food grains. In this way, they manage their life. Sometimes they are called to places where someone had been bitten by a snake. From the marks of the bite, they try to find out which snake had bitten the person. They then give a medicine for that. Kalbelia dance. Kalbelia, the snake dance from the state of Rajasthan, is performed by the Kalbelia tribe. The word Kalbelia is a blend of two words which are Kal means snake and Belia means friends, and hence the word altogether means snake's friend. The black costume replicates the color of cobra, which is related to their occupation as snake charmer. The dance movements show their association with cobra. So children, let us now enjoy Kalbelia dance. In part 1 of this chapter, we have learnt about the relationship and interdependence between snake charmers and snakes. In part 2, we'll learn about types of poisonous snakes, snake bite, and much more. Thank you, children. Shall meet you again in my next class with part 2 of Snake Charmer's story. Bye.